Mom, can I help you in the kitchen today?
Of course, Lily. What do you want to make?
Um, Cookies? I love cookies. Can you teach me how to make them?
Cookies it is. Come on, let's get started. Wash your hands first.
Okay, done. Now what?
We need flour, sugar, butter, and eggs. Can you help me get the flour from the shelf? It's heavy.
Sure. Wow, the bag really is heavy.
Careful, don't spill it. Now, put 2 cups in this bowl.
2 cups? Like this? Oh no, some flour went on the floor.
That's okay. Baking can be messy. We'll sweep it up later.
Whew, sorry. Next, the sugar?
Yes, 1 cup of sugar. Mix it with the flour.
Mixing. This is fun. It looks like snow.
Good job. Now, add the butter. It's soft, so it mixes easily.
The butter is sticky on my hands. Ew.
That's normal. Keep stirring. You're doing great.
Okay, now it looks like dough. What's next?
Crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Be gentle.
Crack eggs? Like this? Oops, a little shell fell in.
No problem. Just pick it out. See? Easy fix.
Got it. Now mix again?
Yes, and add some chocolate chips. Lots of them.
Yay, chocolate! This smells so good already.
Now, make small balls with the dough and put them on the tray.
Like this? Round and small?
Perfect! Into the oven they go. Set it for 10 minutes.
Waiting is hard. Can I watch them bake?
Sure, but don't open the door too much. Look through the glass.
They're getting bigger and golden brown.
Time's up. Careful. Hot. Let them cool.
They smell yummy. Can I try one?
Yes, but blow on it first.
Wow, it's crunchy outside, soft inside. Best cookie ever.
You made them, Lily. I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Mom. Baking is messy, but fun. I want to do it again.
Anytime. You learned a lot today.
Yeah, like don't spill flour and pick out eggshells.
And we spoke English the whole time. Good practice, right?
True. I feel happy and full. Cookies are the best.
Messy, meaning untidy, disorganized, or dirty, something that creates clutter or disorder. Example, baking can be messy. We'll sweep it up later.
Often used to describe situations or activities that result in disorder, like cooking or crafting.
Spill, meaning to accidentally cause a liquid or substance to flow or fall out of a container. Example, careful, don't spill it.
Commonly used in cooking or everyday scenarios where substances like flour, water, or drinks are involved.
Dough, meaning a thick, malleable mixture of flour, water, and other ingredients used to make bread or cookies. Example, okay, now it looks like dough.
A specific term in baking often associated with bread, cookies, or pastries.
Be gentle, meaning to act with care or softness to avoid damage or harm. Example, crack 2 eggs into the bowl. Be gentle.
Often used when giving instructions involving delicate actions, like handling fragile items or interacting with others.
Blow on it, meaning to exhale air onto something, usually food, to cool it down. Example, yes, but blow on it first. Hot.
A practical instruction, often used with hot food or drinks, especially when teaching children.